Football lovers, welcome to my FM News. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs legend Brian Spiderman Baloyi says Kaizer Chiefs must bring in local assistant coach. That is where I feel Kaizer Chiefs are missing the point and don't understand this role. We understand that most of our players come from township and rural areas. Some of them can't express themselves properly in English. When you have an assistant coach who is local, they are able to speak to those players. A coach can speak English, or even sometimes you have coaches who doesn't even know English. You need a local coach to speak with in isiZulu or Sesotho. People have to understand that our culture are different as coaches and players. European coaches won't understand that sometimes. Won't understand it sometimes. In some of our cultures, when we grow up scared of white people, said Brian Baloyi. For more football news, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs.